Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back to my channel. You need an extra backup space for pictures and videos on your iPhone or Android. Of course, worry no more. If you are an iPhone user, you already have a problem with your storage capacity on iCloud, which limiting you to install many apps for you on your phone and enjoy unlimited space. So here we are going to address all the problem. If you are an Android user, stay with us. It's going to help you as well. So on your iPhone, navigate to App Store. On your Android, navigate to Play Store. On the Play Store, tap on it. So we are going to demonstrate using the Android version. Don't worry, you can still follow us with the process if you're an iPhone user. It's the same process. Here in the App Store, locate your search button and tap Google Photos. In your Android, also type Google Photos. And look for the one with the best match with this logo. Make sure it is properly installed in your device, and then once done, go to open. So once you open it, it will give you the available time to synchronize all the pictures that you will be having and videos that you are having on your phone. And here it will make sure it has synchronized everything for you. So make sure to do it like that. And thank you very much for watching. Simple as that. Thank you. Bye bye.